Discover incredible wonders and amazing tools that will captivate your imagination and leave you wanting more. From mesmerizing mechanical performances to the latest cutting-edge technology, prepare to be amazed and eager for more. Number 1. Sealmaster R1. Now that we have the cutting-edge Sealmaster R1 aggregate spreader, tar and chip on highway construction jobs are done in a whole new way. The cutting-edge spreader makes sure that the road surface is of the highest quality and lasts as long as possible by properly spreading aggregate to the right depths. The open-type spiral stirrer makes sure that the material gets to the edges of the hopper properly so it can be spread out evenly and continuously. 41 cubic yard storage space and 10-foot distribution width allow for quick and efficient spreading of aggregate, which in turn cuts down on downtime and boosts production. As extras, you can get the operator platform, block-off plates, and tailboard hook. These make it more flexible and adaptable, so it can be used for many different projects. The Sealmaster R1's clever design and solid construction always help construction teams do a better job. It raises the standard for how efficiently and effectively aggregate can be spread. Number 2. John Deere 9RX Series Tractors. These are powerful machines designed for heavy-duty tasks like plowing, planting, and harvesting on large agricultural fields. What sets them apart is their clever design and technology integration. The 9RX series features a unique 4-track configuration that provides superior traction and reduces soil compaction compared to traditional wheeled tractors. This design allows the tractor to navigate challenging terrain with ease while minimizing damage to the soil structure. Moreover, these tractors are equipped with advanced precision farming technology, including GPS guidance systems and automated steering, which enable precise and efficient operation. This technology ensures that every pass is optimized for maximum productivity and minimal waste. Number 3. Agres Screed Grader. Now we'll talk about the Agres Screed Grader, a new and clever bulldozer edition made by Tarrant Sack Industries Inc. that makes leveling gravel a lot easier. The machine easily adapts to road sizes between 16 and 24 feet and finishes grading jobs in one pass. Gets the most work done with the least amount of material and effort by getting rid of stakes and separating gravel as little as possible. With this grader attachment, you can easily and effectively lay gravel at levels ranging from 0 to 15 inches. It can be used with bulldozers that have engines that have between 125 and 250 horsepower, and it is very flexible and performs well. Number 5. Firecombi MFT 240. Introducing the Firecombi MFT 240, a cutting-edge tool made to put out forest fires. This amazing piece of technology can meet the strict requirements of Stage 5 pollution standards thanks to its cutting-edge 4-cylinder engine that uses AdBlue technology. The hydraulic drives are computer-controlled and can handle any terrain. When things get tough, they make it go faster than before. 2 strong rear winches, each with a pulling ability of 11.5 tons, make sure it works at its best. Users can safely run the machine from a distance thanks to its advanced remote control features. With a water tank that can hold either 5,000 or 10,000 liters, the Firecombi MFT 240 is ready to fight even the worst fires. The front blade is also very good at getting rid of snow and other junk, which makes it even more useful. Number 6. Caterpillar D11. This is a standout example. The Caterpillar D11 is a colossal machine renowned for its sheer power and intelligent design. Equipped with a mammoth blade and a robust engine, the D11 bulldozer effortlessly moves mountains of earth and debris with precision and efficiency. Its innovative features, such as automated blade control and advanced GPS technology, ensure that every movement is calculated for optimal results. What sets the Caterpillar D11 apart is its adaptability to various terrains and conditions. Whether tackling steep slopes or navigating through dense forests, this machine's clever engineering allows it to conquer obstacles with ease. Number 7. Automatic Can Body Machine. From now on, we'll be making metal cans with the cutting-edge automatic can body machine. This mechanical marvel makes 40 cans every minute with perfect accuracy. First, the metal strips are printed on, then the 2 ends are joined together to make a cylinder shape. Servo motors and AutoView technologies help the machine exactly place and weld each can. After the cans are shaped, they go through flanging and seaming steps before they are collected. Number 8. Unrox YR306. The next machine is the Unrox YR306, which is a big step forward in welding technology for making can bodies. This machine is great for places with a lot of demand because it can handle 350 cans per minute and fits easily into production lines. It uses sensors to make sure that each can go through the exact steps of the process. Also, the speed, size, and welding can be changed so that the factors fit the needs of each manufacturer. Number 9. Stair Trench Cutter. Here is the Stair Trench Cutter, a cutting-edge machine made by Stair Bar Machine GmbH that will change the way tractor trenching is done. Watch the SGF 1300 work. It's a huge machine that can dig holes that are 1,300 mm deep and 350 mm wide. This cutting tool is very flexible and can be used with tractors ranging from 260 to 360 horsepower. It is added easily through the PTO shaft. Number 10. SGF 1300. The cutting wheel's carbide round shank chisels quickly remove any surface, whether it's stone or dirt. It works easily to 60 centimeters depths on frozen ground without losing speed, which shows how flexible it is. Because it doesn't need any expensive changes, the SGF 1300 is a cheap choice for trenching jobs all over the world. Number 11. HEMAC Mixer Bucket. Let's talk about the HEMAC Mixer Bucket, which is a completely new idea. The well-known Australian company HEMAC Attachments made this addition, and it changed the game. It is very easy to load and unload this self-loading mixing bucket, which is made to be used with skid steers and telehandlers. The safety grill's built-in bag brakes make it easier to scoop sand, gravel, and cement from the ground, which speeds up work processes. It can mix wet concrete at a speed of up to 0.3 cubic meters per minute thanks to the hydraulic drill. This makes sure that the results are always the same. The flexible chute on the mixer bucket makes it great for small to medium-sized concrete building projects because it lets you pour concrete precisely into formwork, trenches, or holes. The HEMAC Mixer Bucket, which comes in sizes from 100 to 400 liters, gives construction crews the confidence and speed they need to complete jobs. It has a lot of uses and works well. So that is all the time we had today, folks. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and do hit the bell icon on your way out. See ya!